paper trading mode. You can set to paper trading mode for testing the strategies of the board usually works. You can set the stop loss, take profit, like how many lots you want to trade each trade per day. Let's open position at the same time. At the same time, हम कितना trade and there is a very important thing over here. You can switch on and off segment which index you want to trade. It's like Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Sensex, and call side and put side. To switch off the Nifty, then it will, if there is any trade suggestion for Nifty, then it will not place the Nifty trade. If you switch off the Sensex, and if there bot suggest there is any kind of suggestion for the Sensex trade, then it will not place. It will the trade will not took place. So likewise, there is call side and put. So you can choose which side you want to trade and what index you want to trade. There is an option, and you can trail your profit. It's a very good thing. So we got an order for Sensex. Right? Like when there is a momentum, so you see in the market there is a downside momentum. So it try to catches the downside momentum. So place nearly quantity 140 quantity nearly 7 lot. We have allowed the board to trade 7 lots here. You can see lots per trade. So it placed nearly 7 lots of Sensex. And it automatically placed the stop loss. The entry was 460 and 446 was the stop loss, and the target is 484. But here we set the stop loss and the target nearly same. Take profit and the trail stop. Take profit is like 5.3%. Trail is like 5%. So that's why the target and trail target is nearly same. So whenever it reaches the trail target, it will automatically start trailing your position. It's 473.9 last LTP. So whenever it will reach the 483, then it will automatically start trailing your. But as there is a target is 484, so it will exit the position at 484.96. So see, there is a live market, and you can see there is a momentum in the downside. It catches the momentum, and so we are running in a profit. So it hit the profit trail. You can see over here. So profit trail started at nearly 483.85. So it exited the position. So you can test over here with your with paper trading mode how the strategies actually work, how the board actually work. So it's a very sophisticated and highly refined automated trading board. You need a little bit of practice and a little bit of learning, and you can make a consistent profit from the market without much effort, and the bot will do automatically everything for you, like analysis in the market, placing stop loss, the lot size, and trailing profit, take profit, everything will be like bot will do everything for you, but you have to set it before. So you will get an exe file, just you have to start the bot. So now I will set a little bit of how to start. No, I am running the bot from terminal, but you will get an exe file. It's like now I will set the take profit and the target a little bit higher. It is 5.3. That's why I will keep it like 9%. And okay, we'll take the person 1.2, 5.5 is okay. Now you have to save your configuration. Now if you connect the board and start, now your new settings will be executed, and as per your new setting, the bot will start trading. So in the background you can see bot is running properly, and if there is any error, you will see over here. So if you need the API of Angel One, you need the API of Angel One, but you at the same time you can also connect Zero the Upstocks, Flat Rate, and Shunya, which is also integrated in the board. But you need Angel One's API, it's must, and everything the board, the historical charts, the web socket, everything are connected to the Angel One API. Angel One, so Angel One we have uploaded how we can create APIs for Angel One. We have uploaded video on the YouTube, you can watch that. So in the trade history you can see your past trades, how bot perform. So you can see the bot is performing very well, and so we got another trade for Bank Nifty PE. So whenever there is any good trade, you can see the trade session. It will automatically generate a session based on the probability, and the order will be automatically placed, and this order will be will go to your Angel One broker account. So see, there is a downtrend. So Bank Nifty try to, there is a little bit of after so it plays the trade. So let's see what will happen. It is nearly 7 lots, that why. Yeah, the entry was 373 and LTPS now running at 367, but stop loss was 362, which is very strict stop loss. and the target is 407. Now the trail target is 393. See, now we're running the trade in the profit. We have backtested this bot for nearly a very long time. I myself doing trade on this bot for a long time, and the performance of the bot is very very good. Overall return review. So once the bot reaches the trail target, trail 393, it will automatically start trailing your position. So that's why you don't have to worry after reaching the trail, because it will anyhow it will exit your position in the profit. You can see still market is like there is no momentum in the market, but the option price that's it's so volatile. So we got another position for Sensex. You can see over here it is 7 lot, and it was like 431, and we got both the position running in profit. So you don't have to worry about the market analysis. It will automatically analyze the market for you, and it is very good analysis. If you think market whenever you think if the market is like will not flow the trend, like it is trying to, it also got a new position for Nifty. So you can see we got another position for Nifty. One entry was 153, and it is so if you whenever you think a market will not flow the trend, then you can directly exit your position. If you think the market will not flow the downtrend, which is now the bot is trying to create the put set position only, so you can exit your position directly over here. If you feel uncomfortable, the bot is like not, and market it was like market is see, market was like it tried to create a retest back, but it again falling down. We book profit in Sensex. It is so. It is like a very good. Sometimes you have to trust on the board. It analysis. It may get sometimes it may hit your stop losses, but you have to trust the board. It analysis because market is so volatile and unpredictable. One unpredictable thing. It try to predict something on the basis of like volume, PE ratio, open interest, and like price action. It purely based on the price action, so it's not a lagging board. It doesn't directly flow the like indicator based trading board. Indicator based trading board are lagging, very much lagging, but price action are very highly reliable and you can trust on the price action based trading board. It try to calculate every time your price. You can see before analyzing, you can see it calculate the average prices, high, low, and there is a lot of things which are not like doesn't over here show over here. So in the background it try to perform a lot of things based on the price action to predict the market, predict its trend. That's why you can trust on the board. So both the position are running in profit, but let's see if the market trend, its market is directly falling. That's why it took every position in the position in put side, but it tried to pull back, but still it doesn't succeed. But sometimes it may hit your stop loss. That's no there is no solution for that. You have to ready for that. And market, if you are trading on the market, you should be always ready for a stop loss. So bot is extremely doing very good. There is no total drawdown. You can see from the morning I am doing like live market and there is no break. And you can also at the same time, if you see the charts, you can download the bot from Dark Logic Algo from this website. You can download the bot from over here. You can also use this link or this. You can, and there is two version. There is an Android version also, where Android version you will get automated generated signal, and there is a desktop version over here. You can request the desktop. We got our Nifty put side got sold. You can see over here. Yes, only our Bank Nifty put side is only holding the position, and it's like when 393 it's your trail target. Whenever it will is 393, it will automatically start trailing the position. It hit 397, 398. So now you can see it start trailing. So our Bank Nifty got position exited. See over here. Oh, the profit is booked nearly 14,500. See, from the morning all the position are booked. It's 14, 13. It was like there was a very big SL hit. So you have to sometimes your SL may get hit. So now bot will automatically analysis your market based on the price action, and if there is any good momentum in the market, you will see the bot will took the position automatically. You can request the desktop version, which is now I am currently using from this website, Dark Logic Algo. So there is a good downward momentum. So you don't have to do anything. Market is analyzing on your backside. It's fetching all this candle data and it is calculating. Also, we got another position for Bank Nifty put side. You can see. So it took the position. So it's like it tried to retrace back, but it took a position at like 385 and SL is like 373. So it will be a quite a risky trade. So the position is like nearly at the buying price. So I think this will hit the stop loss. So it analysis market was aggressively was falling. That's why it took the position. So Bank Nifty. Okay. Market was getting resistance over here and it was aggressively falling. That's why I took the position. Let's see our trade will be succeed or not. Either it will hit your stop loss or it will hit your target. So it was an aggressive trade. So it got your stop loss hit. So it's okay. Sometimes your position will get hit by stop loss. So there is an advice, little advice for each and everyone. Whenever you see there is a direct, there is an trend like upward trend or downward trend. If you catches the upward trend or downward trend, then you should let the market settle for nearly half an hour or 1 hour. Okay, if you catches the profit for nearly 2 or 3 trade, then you should let them settle the market for nearly half an hour. What happens during this half an hour after there is a direct downward trend or upward trend? There is a consolidation zone, and this consolidation zone, the bot try to catches the market, but what happens? There is a lot of false signal over here during the consolidation. So during this consolidation, whenever the bot try to catches any kind of position, so there is a high probability there is the signals are false signal, and the chances of getting a SL hit is more. That's why you should be careful whenever there is a profit. And we didn't automate this thing, because some things we have to let it handle by the user client. So whenever there is a profit in your whenever the bot catches profit in the downtrend or uptrend, we got another position over here. You can see bank nifty, it is not, it is nifty 25,750 and nifty call side. So our entry was 174 1 and position is running it. So you see after downward trend, it the market is moving upward. So it try to catches the upward trend. So you should sometimes let the market settle. Okay, you should take some rest for nearly half an hour and restart the board. And before starting the board, you should try to the settings should be properly managed, like it should be like the year stop loss, take profit, everything you should keep it realistic, not that like 30% 40% profit target and like risk and reward, the risk is high and the reward is less. You shouldn't keep that. You should keep this thing realistic. Realistic mean, I mean it's like your SL should be nearly 1:2 the risk reward. The risk should be 1:1.5. Like if you keeping your risk like 3%, main stop loss is like 3%, your take profit should be above like 5%. That's why. That's how you will overall your performance, overall your profit gain will be you will be profitable. So it was a false signal. That's why market was trying to get in upward trend. So that's why now it is. We got another Sensex call side, because market is like now after a downward trend, now it like it trying to reverse the market. So So it's trying to catches the all call side position. So whenever I feel there is whenever you feel uncomfortable that the positions are may not be like you whenever you feel the uncomfortable the position, then you should exit your position all, and you should keep take some rest. Okay, market will be always here, the port will be always with you, but you should try to keep your profit and your capital. You shouldn't risk all the time. That's my advice. See, market is like at the very like it is like consolidating. It's not a trend. It's like sometimes it goes on the profit side, and sometimes it is like in the downward side. That's why it's quite risky whenever there is a trend, and after the trend market try to consolidate for some time. That's why the PNL is fluctuating very much. The market try to get like in it was a good momentum, upward momentum. So that the signal was false signal. That's why whenever there is an whenever you catch some good profit, you should keep the boat rest at least for half an hour to let the to settle the market. Let whenever it settle the market, you get back, you start your boat, and it will catch. So it hit your stop loss. So Sensex is still open. Let's see what will happen to the Sensex.